Good morning, hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, July 9th. We are looking for warm, mostly clear, dry, and occasionally breezy conditions all week long. We do have a couple systems that will pass to our north, bring some breezy conditions across our area, one on Friday, and then another slightly stronger one Sunday that'll go carry on a little bit into next week. Because of those systems, we are looking for near red flag conditions primarily on Sunday and to lesser degrees on Friday, based on critical values of winds and minimal RH. Those zones aren't considered critical yet for fuels, so not looking to put a red flag out, but the conditions look to be critical, if not near critical conditions on those days. We also will have a very dry, the driest day of the week, as well as the warmest day will be Saturday, and we'll have some heat index of 6. So the point here is there'll be critical fire conditions in those areas, and just to be extra cautious all week, particularly Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here's our current satellite imagery. You can see high pressure ridging building over us today. Will keep us clear, dry, and very nice conditions. We do have a weak system, as I mentioned, that will pass to our north. It'll just move down over Montana, and that will give us some breezy conditions. There's maybe actually a chance of isolated thunderstorm, be dry. Not look for any precip really out of it, but it could happen just on the Montana divide on Friday afternoon because of the system here. And there's the next system that will be coming through on Sunday that's still out there. Here, looking at your matrix, basically all areas are really dry. Below 15% humidity is where I have this humidity listed in here, and you can see that most zones are under 15 on Saturday. That's the driest day, and then we do have those windy conditions of 30 miles an hour and the low RH. You can see in these two areas here, basically 410 and 425 on Sunday. And then we do actually, humidities get a little bit better, but still critical on Monday. We'll see most zones drop out of the critical RH on Tuesday, and then those winds back off as well by Tuesday. You can see here's our current fuel status. No one's critical yet, but nearing critical conditions on 425. If that changes to critical, we may see a red flag on Friday. Particularly, most likely would be Sunday. And then here's our ERC, and you can see those are trending higher, and this has actually changed from yesterday. There's more yellows here, so the trend is for it to go upward. And our high temperatures today, here they're listed just a near normal, and RH, you can see right here is the critical areas below 15. Friday, you can see we're still near normal, and then RH is more widespread below 15, and then our winds, you can see this would be the area of the Arco Desert where, if we were to put our red flag, because if fuels were considered critical, it would be kind of right in this area, portions of 410 and 425. And then here for Saturday, even warmer, 4 to 8 degrees above normal. On Saturday, our RHs are more widespread below 15. Large most of the area, and then Sunday you see our temperatures back off a little bit but still above normal, and then our RHs are still quite a few areas below 15, and then you can see more widespread winds in that 30 range for 410 and 425, and then starting to be in the 25 range for some of the mountain areas to our north, 475 and 476. And then Monday our temperatures do go below normal as that system moves to our north and brings in some cooler air, and where RHs recover a little bit but not much. You still see areas of less than 15. On Tuesday that will be much better, and then you can see here for Monday our wind gusts are still in that critical area in the Arco Desert. So just as a review, we're going to be warm, mostly clear, dry, and breezy. Occasionally breezy all week, particularly Friday and Sunday, so we have systems kind of move to our north. Near red flag conditions on Sunday and to lesser degree Friday, although not critical fuels yet, before 410 and 425, and then we'll have a really dry, warm day, the warmest day of the period on Saturday with a strong Haines index of 6. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. Thanks.